Hey y'all, this is Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this vlog and this news and stuff like that. I have some sad news to report. Verne, I think his name Verne Troyer, he passed away last night. Okay, I don't know what he passed from. You know, he passed last night, yesterday on the 21st. Probably during the time I made that video talking about Harry Anderson, you know. All right, so we lost another celebrity this week. We lost Harry Anderson last Monday. Monday just passed, and I didn't even know that. And now last night we lost Verne Troyer, mostly known for playing Mini-Me in Austin Powers' The Spy Who Shagged Me. I like that movie, to be honest, though. That was an awesome movie he played in, you know. So, I mean, my condolences to his family and friends, whoever was close with him and all that. My condolences, you know. I mean, I really enjoyed him. I remember he played in the Method Man and Raid Man video, Tear the Roof Off. Okay, or it's titled "Tear It Off" or something, but it was saying "Tear the Roof Off." On the serious side, I liked that video. You know, I think he played in one of them reality shows. You know, but I don't recall what reality show he played in. You know, so I mean, excuse me, it's sad to lose a family member, a celebrity, a friend, or an associate, or whoever, you know. I mean, technically, I'm real sad to hear about that, you know. Okay, so for some of y'all that know or don't know that I lost my grandmother in 2016, July 18th was the day my grandmother passed away, you know. So anyway, he gonna be truly missed, Verne Troyer. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name wrong or not. You know, if I am, let me know. If I'm posting it wrong, pronounce it for me. Okay, if I'm pronouncing it right, y'all can comment below and tell me that I pronounced it right. You know. I don't want no profanity or nothing, because if you curse commenting on my videos, you gonna have to be blocked. Okay, I ain't gonna tolerate no cursing / profanity or bad language or insults on my videos. You know, on my comment section. Okay, all right. So okay. All right, my condolences to the family and friends of Verne Troyer. Okay, Troyer. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. May you rest in peace.